Storm Team 29 forecast.
All right, well, it's all treats at Linda Burton's house. Look at this nice shot. She's got some chocolate chip cookies here with the pumpkin on the counter there. Certainly, again, a nice setting. Let's talk about early this morning. We did have a red sky sunrise. This was captured by Lori Wright in Albemarle. Here's the vantage point seen by Warren, Fulton, Augusta County as those clouds were rolling in. We had a little bit of very light sprinkles for a while, and then we had a break, and then we started to see the rain pick up, and we've seen it come in waves. So yes, it's a little wet here, a little dreary on this Halloween night, but I hope you're going to have fun anyway. And as far as trick-or-treaters that are already underway, dealing with some breaks in the rain, but we still have those spooky showers out there, some damp and creepy conditions. Temperatures will basically range anywhere this evening from the mid-50s to low 60s, and there will be areas of fog to develop. As we've looked over the last several hours, we've seen bands of rain work from southwest to northeast. There's a little bit of a lull in the activity, but there could still be drizzle, and there's still going to be more rain behind that. Right now, some of the steadiest rain through portions of Orange, Louisa, and lifting out toward the Fredericksburg area will widen out the view because we're not yet done with the rain. Again, you kind of see these batches of rain working off to the north and east. It's part of a weather system that's approaching from the south and west here tonight. So temperatures are pretty much locked in at these levels. Most of us are in the mid to upper 50s at the current 6 o'clock hour. Tomorrow will likely begin with some low clouds and fog, and once that dispenses, we'll see the return of sunshine and some pleasant numbers. First day of November. How about numbers in the low and mid 70s? Average daytime high now is in the mid 60s. So as we go through not only Tuesday, but Wednesday, Thursday, the week ahead here, we're talking about temperatures a little bit above average, and it could be even more so as we move into the upcoming weekend. So again, weather systems off to our south and west. That's responsible for the rain that we're dealing with here on this Halloween last day of October. And as we take a look at the tropics, not yet done with this. This is Tropical Storm Lisa. It's deep in the Caribbean, just under 200 miles from Jamaica, but it is on a course that'll take it into Central America. Preferably it works toward Belize and Guatemala and Honduras, and it will become like a hurricane before it makes a landfall, and that will be later this week. Meanwhile, we'll be dealing with ongoing showers here this evening. There'll be breaks in the action as mentioned, and then tomorrow we'll begin with pretty much some low clouds and fog in the morning. We'll start in the 50s, and we'll start to see those temperatures climb into the low and mid 70s as our winds become more westerly. We'll start Wednesday morning with temperatures in the 40s, and there could be a little bit more cloud cover building during the day, but still pleasant with temperatures either side of 70. So for this Halloween night, again, still some spooky showers out there, areas of fog, temperatures settling into the mid and low 50s. A look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. We welcome the month of November, and we'll start to see those temperatures edge up even more so as we go through the late week and upcoming weekend. And don't forget, this is the weekend, first weekend November, that we fall back 1 hour. That'll occur late Saturday night, early Sunday morning as daylight saving time comes to an end. Also a great time to check the batteries on your smoke detectors and replace those.
Thanks, Captain.
Happy Halloween.
Eric, there is more than